So this video I'll be telling you the honest truth on the two kinds of fondant I have on my channel. The first is one with the egg white recipe, and the other is one with glucose recipe, just glucose and water. The other one is glucose, water and egg white. The two links will be left in the description. But the honest truth is that this particular one is one with the egg white recipe. It doesn't last as long as one with the glucose. Being the case that I think because of this egg white inside and it tends to spoil, so it's not really going to last as long as if it's just glucose, water and icing sugar. Like as you can see, this is just a couple of weeks. I think a couple of weeks. It's just, I think 1 week. Yeah, 1 week. 1 week give or take, and it's already hard strong. In this video, I've seen if I can basically knead it back to normal, knead it back to its original state. But then, what I tend to observe is that the egg white tend to come out from the inner part of the from the fondant, leaving the fondant really dried on the inside and wet on the outside. Oh, this cake has been here for quite some time. This is like a dummy cake I did on wedding cake. I'll be doing more at the cost of this channel. But if you touch it, you see that the outside is a bit saggy. It's a bit saggy. There's even some really droplets. I don't know if you can see it from the camera. There are some droplets and there are some just like it tends to come out. But this particular one, I did it with all glucose, with the glucose recipe. But I don't know why but this one tends to actually, because this one basically went to the oven so it could dry further. But then but for this up layer and this down layer, it tends to, I don't know, get wet on the outside. I'll be leaving this down though. By the way, if you've not watched the video on how I made this amazing cake, the link will be left in the description. So without wasting much of your time, I think I've basically passed my part. Let's check if we can revive this cake back to its original state. I have more fondant than the one I used for the marble cake. The marble cake will still be left in the description. And let's head straight to the video and let's see if I can revive this cake. I've cut them into smaller pieces and I think this is going to be a speedrun video, and let's see how it goes. So I've succeeded in trying to make it a bit combined and a bit stretchy. I think this is a better state. So I'll be doing it in batches right now and seeing how far I can go. It's not easy, it's not easy, it's not easy, guys. So so there are a lot of like chunks inside, a lot of chunks of hard fondant inside, but in general sense it's a bit stretchy, you know. Let's see if I can knead and see if as I'm kneading I'm breaking up the chunks of fondant inside manually and see how far we can go still. I think this is as refined as we can get it. So let's just do the rest and keep on combining and see how far we can go. So this is about I think 20 to 25 minutes of kneading and we've gotten into a usable state. Let's just do my whipping and roll it out and see how it will look. This can be used as a texture. This can be used as a texture fondant. So let's see how it looks if I were to roll it. Let's see, I think if I can roll it. Well, it works. It works. But it has all these, I don't know if you can see it, impurities. You see, it holds. So it has a bit of stretch in it. It has all these impurities in it, all these hard spots. But it can be used to create a very, very realistic and sweet design. So for the next video, I will just look up some designs that I can do with it and see if we can achieve it. basically with this texture, because this fondant cannot really go to waste with the way things are hard in Nigeria economy. And I'm just going to use it. So let me just find a ziplock and wrap it up quickly and head straight to the next video.